Hello friends, Santosh here. Friends, I'm not feeling well. I have a fever. That's why yesterday I'm not upload my videos. Sorry for that. Okay. Today my topic is decline of Indus Valley civilization and its continuity and contribution. Okay. Decline of Indus Valley civilization. Here are some points. Okay. Its natural causes. First one, change the river route. Second one, floods. Third one, earthquakes. Okay, fourth one, climatic change. Fifth one, diseases. Sixth one, water storage. And last one, physical chemical incident. Okay, now second point, administration causes. First one, administration looseness. Second point, change the ideology of the human beings. Okay, third point, economy causes. Okay, first one, decline of foreign trade. Sources are misuse. Okay, last one is external mention. It was attack of Aryans. Okay, natural causes. Now we discuss natural causes in small brief. Okay, Indus Valley civilization was a developed civilization. There were many reasons for the development. On this way, Indus Valley civilization become a downfall condition for this, not a single region. Okay, according to historians, this civilization for decline of Indus Valley are by three basic reasons: geographical factor, economic activities, administrative laziness. Okay, the Indus Valley civilization declined around 18,000 BCE, but the reason behind its demise are still debate. Okay, one theory claims that Indo-European tribe Aryans invaded and conquered the Indus Valley civilization. In later culture, various elements of the Indus Valley are found which suggest that the civilization did not disappear suddenly due to an invasion. Okay. On the other hand, many scholars believe natural factors are behind the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. The natural factors could be geological and climatic. It is believed that the Indus Valley region experienced several tectonic disturbances which causes earthquakes, which also change the courses of river or drive them up. Another natural reasons might be changes in pattern of rainfall, pandemic diseases, also a reason, but not sure about that. And physical chemical accident, but not sure about that. Okay, there could be also a dramatic shift in the river courses which might have brought flood to the food producing areas. Due to combination of these natural causes, there was a slow but inevitably collapse of Indus Valley civilization. Okay friend, now we discuss about administration causes and economy causes. Okay, in brief. Okay, Indus Valley civilization was a developed civilization. The basis of economy and the trade and the commerce was the main plotter, and approx 1750 BC decline thus started a Mesopotamian civilization. Due to this decline, the trade and commerce civilization and focus on domestic trade, but this development was not continued for a long time. Due to this, see the symptoms of decline, so that seeing the many changes of civilization. For example, instability planning system, decline of water drainage system, development of rough trade, etc. Okay, this all activities was due to administration looseness, because due to lack of resources it was not possible to run a civilization, so that this system influenced the all social sector, so that seen the symptoms decline of civilization. Due to misuse of overview of resources, example Kalibanga. Okay, next point, external mention. Okay, this reason to plate the decline of Indus Valley civilization. With this originate a new type of disaster. The name of disaster, pandemic. Okay, due to all our mentioned reason, large size of population settled a urban right, and finally they were converted into a rural civilization. At this time, first group come to Aryan in India, and they attacked on Harappa civilization. To Aryans, there are many evidences are found from Indus Valley civilization. Like that, Indra is called Purandar and Purbed, as well as use the word of Haryopia. Finally, we can say reason of the decline were extensive and internal system. Example, lack of visionary approach, improper utilization and scientific temper, overuse of natural resources, etc. So that this civilization was not ended in fluidness, but it was not transformed into rural civilization from urban civilization. Okay, Indus Valley continuity and its contribution. Okay, first one, cultural progress in the urban civilization. Second point, bronze statue of dancing girl. Third point, architecture. Okay, fourth point, agricultural production. Next point, work, social and economy level. Okay, next point, trade and commercial planning. Okay, next, administration system, and last, worship gods. Okay, now we discuss in small brief. Okay, the Indus Valley civilization are cultural progress in the urban civilization. The sculpture or bronze, a statue of dancing girl, and architecture and agriculture production. Okay, this civilization contribution for the work, social and economy level is started the trade and commercial planning, then promote commercial planning, then for the administration system, and the worship are gods. Okay friends, thank you very much for watching my videos. If you like my videos, give a like, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, see you in my next video. Okay friends, bye bye.